Italian School Supplies Part 2, Graffette, Paper Clips, Puntine, Push Pins, Perni, Pins, Spilli da Baglia, Safety Pins, Fermaglio, Fastener, Perforatrice, Puncher, Pinciatrice, Stapler, Punto Metallico, Staple, Nastro adhesivo, adhesive tape, matita colorata, colored pencil, lavagna bianca, whiteboard, cartella, folder, busta, envelope, calculatrice, calculator, chiavetta USB stick, tampone, stamp pad, timbro, stamp. Please like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you for watching.